In the 1970s and early 80s, Saudi Arabia embarked on the construction of Jubail City. The Saudis required technically skilled labor for the task, and so citizens of St. Vincent and the Grenadines were given the opportunity to showcase their organizational, tactical, and manufacturing expertise on the world stage. The Vincentian teams traveled from the Caribbean to the Arabian desert to work in the factories that produced the prefabricated materials that built Jubail City. Today Jubail is considered one of the most important industrial cities in the world, and it was made possible thanks to the contribution of citizens of St. Vincent and the Grenadines.